What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add music to a project in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Tap on New Project to start a fresh edit, or open an existing project where you want to add music. Add any video clips you want to use in your project, and once you've set them up, you're ready to add audio. Before adding the music, make sure the white timeline cursor is placed exactly where you want the song to begin. In most cases, you might want the music to start from the very beginning of the video, so place the cursor at the start. Once that's done, tap on any blank space in the bottom left if you have any video or clip selected, so you can unselect them and see all the editing options at the bottom. Then, tap on Audio. Under the audio selection, tap Sounds. Here, CapCut offers various categories of music like vlog, pop, beats, travel, R&B, and more. You can browse and select any song you like. If you want to use music saved on your device, tap the folder icon next to TikTok Sounds. This will allow you to import music files from your phone's music library. Tap OK when prompted to give CapCut permission to access your files. If you don't have any music saved locally, nothing will appear. But if you do, you can select and add your preferred track. If you can't find a specific song you want to use, another option is to use the record feature. Go back to the audio options and tap on Record. You can then play the song from another device and record it directly into your CapCut project. This is a handy trick if the track you want isn't available in CapCut's library or on your device. Once you've added a sound, you can also edit it further by tapping on the audio track in your timeline. You'll have options to change the volume, add a fade in or fade out effect, or even split the audio if you want it to end earlier. To split the track, place the timeline cursor where you want the music to stop, tap Split, and delete the remaining part of the audio. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.